Hello everybody, it's me Sauce the Red and welcome back, and for those who haven't been here before, welcome. Now, before you click off the video, after you just realized I've only got 82 subscribers, don't. Because I'm pretty certain actually, that I've got a pretty interesting perspective on the whole YouTube and how you can actually get bigger. Now, you might be still going, and if you're already here, you might be going, I don't know about that one, Chief. You got 82 subs, so you know what's going on. Well, I've only been doing YouTube for a year now. And I can't say I've been putting everything into it because I've been working full-time and studying full-time. So, realistically, I've been uploading 1 day a week, right? So that's what this looks like. 1 day a week. If you're not doing clickbaity content, you're just doing usual stuff, things that you like, this is realistically what it probably will look like. Unless you actually are funny, unlike me, or you're interesting, unlike me. So there's that too. Okay, so keep that in mind, alright? This is just me. Imagine me as a red skull. Okay, with you got the soul stone, and I'm guiding you to it. It's not something I can possess and attain, unfortunately, but I can try and guide you to it. All right, so just imagine me as that dude. So I got 5 tips. Okay, I'm gonna be nice, short, and sweet with it all. All right, 5 tips. So number 5, establishment. So establishment of branding, establishment of you, your presence on YouTube, all of that stuff. So establishment. So first thing you want to do before anything, before starting anything, hit the drawing board. What does your branding look like? So you can see with mine already, it's a bit crazy. It's a bit all over the place. If you look at my thumbnails, there's a lot of Halo Spartans. That's kind of my branding. Also the whole Sauce the Red thing, the color red in all my thumbnail backgrounds, all of that. So you see there's consistent branding. So however you want that to look, have consistency and establishment in your branding. All right, so establish it all. When I say establish, you want to write it all up. Write your name. What's a catchy name? Ask your friends. How's this name sound? All that stuff. Or just think about it. Or it's an easy one that you could hear from someone talking about it across the room and go, oh, I know them. I know that YouTuber. It was not a mouthful. Okay, sometimes channels can get away with a mouthful, but it depends really. I mean, Sauce the Red, it's a very simple one. It's my name and the color red. So there's a fun fact for you. My name is Sauce. But yeah, not very sophisticated because I'm a very simple person. So you might want to keep it simple, it's up to you. But that's what I've done. So, number 1. It was establishment. Number 2, patience. Alright, patience is a huge one. As I said, 82 subscribers. You know what's going on there. The main key thing is, it's patience. You just got to hold on. It's going to be a long journey, your YouTube career. It's going to be long. Unless you're selling your soul, you're doing clickbaity stuff. Because you can see with my channel, I did a couple Markiplier videos, and there were test ones with me and my mates. It was mostly just a bit of fun, saying like false drama, because we just thought it was funny. Because Markiplier, we all know he's an amazing guy, but we like to just cause drama just because it was funny, alright, to try and make a funny thing out of it. However, obviously that video blew up because I had clickbaity titles, clickbaity content. However, the big drawback was the dissatisfaction. The big dissatisfaction in the comments and the liking ratio. I believe I got like 25 dislikes from that, as opposed to, and I got, I think, 60 likes. So I mean, there's a big proportion there. You might look at it and go, okay, that's a lot more likes than you usually would get. I'm like, yeah, that's true, but there's a lot of dislikes. And you could, by all means, go that direction. However, you would be selling your soul, and it might not be a very it might not be a career of longevity, I'll just say that. So, and it might not be fun. That's the main thing. I mean, I had fun in it, but doing that stuff again, probably not. So, you gotta do patience. You just gotta wait. Okay, 82 subscribers, I'm very happy with that. For the content I'm putting in, you gotta think about what you're putting in, your input and your output. And if it's realistic, my input, I've got a $20 mic stand here. I got a $100 mic and a $100 camera. And these headphones are 10 years old. So realistically, what I'm putting in, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm very, very happy. Actually, I'm over the moon with 82 subscribers. That's a phenomenal thing. So yeah, you've got that. All right. So, thirdly, networking. Networking is a big one. So with all my content, the reason I'm doing this video is because when I first started this year, I had no idea. You can see that in my first videos. It was just nonsense, right? And I had friends who helped me, kind of give me feedback, critiques, tips, and actually helped me edit. Murray the Awesome, check him out. He also edited a video for me on this channel. So that's one of many reasons networking is amazing. I could list through all of my friends on my Discord server who have been there for me, but I'll name a couple just because they've been in the majority of my videos, and that's the Dark Remix, like I said, Murray the Awesome, Panthera, Night Fox, and then the Guy Who Exists. So there's been a couple people, and Pertlight. I could literally go on and on and on. I'll probably end up listing them all in the description just because I don't know, I appreciate all of them. And you know, that's just how it is. So networking is a big one because they're all from my server on Discord. So what I did at the start of the year, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make a server for YouTubers, and I spent far too long going across Reddit trying to find people who are decent, sieving through it all, you know, sifting through all the crazies on Reddit. However, we got there, and I got a small bunch of people, small, but yeah, it's really fun. So that's the main thing, especially what kind of content you make, because again, it's going to be very vastly different, the recommendations. That's why I said gaming channel, because this is mostly for gaming channel. Because yeah, again, unless you're doing solo gaming, which I do a lot of solo indie games. However, I do a lot of collaborative stuff as well. I think it's a good balance between what I'm achieving for. So I do believe, yeah, networking is very important, because it's always helpful having a fresh pair of eyes and things, or a fresh, you know, pair of hands helping you with stuff. So there you go. That's that. So networking is a huge one. Experimentation. That's the other one. That's our fourth one for today. What that means is experimenting. Like I said before, you know, maybe if you're not doing videos, what, you know, has other people in it, try it. You know, maybe not just gaming, but like this kind of stuff, commentary videos, reacting videos. Try it. You know, give it a go. You never know, because you might be, you know, doing things where you're fixated on, like gaming and stuff, but you might not realize that you're actually really good at doing talking things or reacting things. And you only know when you try it. That's the main thing, putting yourself out there. That's the thing with YouTube. Experimentation, you put yourself out there, because you just don't know. You don't know, honestly, because you can't judge and tell what, you know, what the people out there on YouTube would think of your content or what they want. So experimentation is a huge one. It is huge. And the best way you can gauge that is look at your feedbacks, look at your comments. Engagement with your audience is a huge one. That's a little bonus one for you. But yeah, that's a huge one. Engagement with your audience in terms of comments, in terms of if you have your own Discord server, in terms of all of that. You know, if you do live streams, just talking, you know, because again, these are people who are supporting you, using their time. They're not getting paid for things, you know, same as you. They're not getting paid for things. They're just rocking up. They're using their valuable time to watch you. So be appreciative of it. Communicate with them. That's the least they deserve for, you know, rocking up and supporting you. They don't have to, but yet they are, you know. There you go. That's that. Last but not least, consistency. I said it before in terms of establishment, consistency in terms of thumbnails and things, but this is consistency in your upload. You know, it links to everything. So it's consistency in regard to your engagement with your audience, your upload schedule, whatever that may look like. Like mine's 1 day a week. If you feel like you could do more, but do it in a way where it's sustainable and you can keep doing it at a consistent rate. That's the huge one. So that's it. Consistency as well. Consistency in your kind of your style, how you talk, games you play. But again, it links to a bit of experimentation, because you can kind of go out of the boundaries of what you usually would play. But again, consistency regard to your upload schedule. So that's it. That's your 5 in, you know, under 10 minutes, which is pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please, yeah, check out my content if you like it. Like and subscribe. And if you are a small YouTuber, reach out to me, man. I would not mind helping you, showing you how to do things. And you know, if you want to collab, you can collab. Let me know. All right, cool. Too easy, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all later. Oh boy.